My name is Cheryl Tondro. I would like to welcome you to Aphasia Moments, a video podcast where I share the good, the bad, and the definitely funny at times aspects of living with a language disorder, aphasia, and a speech disorder, aphasia, apraxia of speech. I hope that by sharing my story and some experiences that I have, that people will know that there's always hope to live our best life, even with these challenges. So today, I would like to share a little bit about mindful living um, after a stroke and with aphasia and apraxia. I realized that this topic could be an entire chapter of my memoir or an entire book in itself, I think, because it's such a big topic. But today I was only like to talk about a little tiny aspect of living with a faith, living, mindful living. Um, Yesterday, I was cooking as I usually do. I was cooking dinner and I decided to try out turning on music. Well, before before my stroke, of course, I loved music. We had music and television and something happening all the time, especially when we were cooking or cleaning the house. I loved listening to music all the time. But since my stroke with aphasia, I'm not sure if it's the stroke or it's the aphasia itself. I'm pretty sure it's my aphasia. I really can't do things well with a lot of noise. And even though music is beautiful and has been a part of my life for years and years, it sometimes somehow gets in the way. So when I'm cooking, I really have to concentrate on what I'm doing. And if I have background noise, people talking to me, asking me questions, and even music that had been in the background, before, suddenly, no matter how low I turn the volume down, it gets in the way of my processing. So one of the things I found mindful living is really paying attention to what we're doing. And I think even people without having a stroke or doesn't don't have aphasia, really being mindful of what you're doing is really a great thing. It makes you really present. So one of the things that I thank my stroke or aphasia for is the fact that I really am more mindful of what I'm doing at the time. And that calms me and makes me centered and really brings me into the present time. Um, I'll talk about a little more about mindful living and I have how I think about mindful living in other podcasts, but this time I wanted to share how really being mindful of cooking, something that I really enjoy, um, and how the background noise cannot be there. We've because of my aphasia. But remember that everybody's aphasia is different. So I just want to make sure that people who don't have this experience don't think that, oh, I don't know why, I'm not sure, but if you do have this problem, I want you to know that I do too. So we're not alone in this journey. All of us do have challenges from time to time, and I hope that by seeing these videos and hearing about the challenges I'm going through, it doesn't have to limit your ability to live your best life. We can try to do things that are different than we experienced before, but it still can be a really full and valuable life. I hope you join me, and if you consider subscribing to my channel, I would really appreciate it, and then you will know when I have another video again next time. Thank you very much for listening. Until next time, bye.